you. We're going to be doing another wonderful dance to number 7 on the CD, Soar Like the Eagles. And it's wonderful because, you know, I think of Isaiah 40. They'll run and not be weary and walk and not faint. You know, teach us to soar like the eagles, Lord. That's what God wants us to do. Be above the circumstances of our life and see that from an eagle's perspective. So we're going to dance this wonderful song.
我们第7首要展示给示范给大家的是如鹰展翅上腾。这首歌是非常美的一首歌，就是我们要等候耶和华的必要重新得力，如鹰展翅上腾。
Okay, we'll have to dance this fast. Isaiah 40, we think about a circle like this where we are connected. And when we are united together as a body of believers, nothing can penetrate that if we're in a chad, in unity.
像以赛亚书40章讲的，我们等候耶和华，而且我们是一个 body， 我们就是一个肢体。所以当我们手牵手、心连心连在一起的时候，就像一个非常强大一个耶和华的军队，没有人来攻击我们，我们就像一个像一个肢体一样，我们是连接在一起的，是非常大的一个属灵征战的一个利器。
There are 3 parts to this dance. The first part is a walk with a Yemenite. The second part is a step, touch, 2-point turn, step, touch, step, touch, 2-point turn. And the third part is a 7-up mime. I'm going to go with the first part right now. Okay, so we are facing line of direction of circle, which is counterclockwise to the right, and we start walking with a right, left, and then a back right Yemenite. Back right, back left, forward right. Our weight is on our right, so now we start with the left. Walk left, walk right, back left Yemenite. Back left, back right, forward left. And we continue that pattern, so we'll do that just around a circle. Walk right, left, back right, Yemenite. Walk left, right, back left, Yemenite. And we continue with that. So that's part 1.
第一段呢，非常有意思哈，手的动作就是你要往方向线的逆时针方向，你的右手往前伸直，搭在你的 partner， 你的前面的那位的那个手左手上，那你的左手是这样半举的，然后让你的左边的 partner 来搭在你的上面，然后呢，脚的动作呢，就是他讲说往前后的 Yemenite。 其实就是出右脚，右左，然后呢左右，就是进退进很简单哈。你看右脚进，左脚进，然后右脚退，然后左脚退，然后右脚再进，进退进你要这样记的话就很容易记。 很简单哈，我就用很白话的跟大家讲，让他能够很有兴趣哈，非常有意思哈。不然的话，你看了都看不懂怎么哈。我们现在再来右左右，然后再一次左右左，进退进退进，这样子的话我们就很好记了。这是第一段。
Thank you, John. I forgot to tell you in English that your right hand has to be palm down and your left hand palm up. Okay, it's our connection. We call it kind of like an Egypt move. Okay, so the second part of the dance will be the step, touch, turn. It's like the willow. No, this is a snap one. Okay, so we step right, touch left, snap, step left, touch right, snap, and we do a 2-point right turn. Right, left, step, right, touch, left. Then left, touch right, step right, touch left, right, down with the hands.
OK， 第二段跟活水江河很像哈，但是就是说那个手的动作呢，我们有这样子，就是很轻快，但那个配合那个音乐的很轻快，嘣哒。 蹦哒这样你看我们先一样活水江河一样，往你的手一样摆右摆左摆右点踏右点左这样，但是多一个动作就是你的手要咔 ，OK 会吗咔然后再回来摆左，然后呢点左踏左点右，然后。 自转2、3，自转右转自转，然后再过来的时候再踏右点左，然后再回来1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8，放下来，这就没有搭了就放下来，手就放下来。回来的时候就一右一左，回来的时候就把手放下，就没有这个动作，就把手放下来。 再一次来，1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8，2、2、3、4、5、6，放下，就面向你中心。好，我们在放下来的时候呢，继续第一段的动作就是还是伸手，右手伸直，那左手半举，让后面的 partner 来搭在你的手上，然后再重复第一段的动作。 进退进，左右左。
Very good. The third part of the dance is on the instrumental. I think it's a lai lai on this one. We do a 7-up mime, holding hands, a close mind to the left, mind 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up, mind 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up.
OK， 第三段的动作又知道了，我们在前面都示范过了，就是连续的交换步往右开始，然后呢是七步，然后第8步用跳起来，然后转身，就是连续动作。连续动作，出右脚往你的顺时针方向，往你的左边，啊，1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8，反方向，1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8。